It's time to pick another random nail set, so let's get to it. Number of colors. We got 3 colors. Let's just pray we get some good colors. Oh, we got brown. Okay, white. One. This isn't bad. Okay, yellow. It all falls on the seam. I just did this. All right, guys, let's do it. Cheetah print. All right, let's see what shape we got, guys. Stiletto. Now let's see what length. Hopefully we don't get short. Nails. Oh, okay, we can do medium. It's okay. It's okay. So we have the stiletto nails, medium length, cheetah print theme, white, yellow, and brown as colors. Part 2 should be up now.